Hello little ones, how was your day? Is everyone fine? I think all are fine and happy at your home. Today, ma'am is going to play a game. Who all are ready to play with me? Now, let's see a game. First, stand in your place. See your leg, touch your leg. Now, touch your hand and see your hand. Touch your stomach, see your stomach. Touch your eyes, see your eyes. Can you see your eyes? You can't. Now let's try with our nose. Touch your nose, see your nose. Can you see your nose? You can't, right? Yes children, we cannot see our eyes, nose, lips, ears and neck through our eyes directly. We need an object to see all these parts. Do you know what is that object? It is a mirror. So, a mirror is an object that reflects the image that is shown to it. So, with the help of the mirror, we can see our eyes, nose, mouth, ears and neck. In this poem, we have two characters. First, we have little Lulu. She is an innocent little girl. Next, we have an intelligent elephant, that is Emily. This poem deals with these two characters. Do you know what is poem, children? The poem is a piece of writing about in short lines. This is known as poem. Do you know who writes the poem? The poem is always written by a poet. Poet means the person who is writing the poem. The poet of this poem is autonomous, that is unknown. Then this poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. Now let's see the main concept of the poem. The main concept or the theme of the poem is to show the innocence of the little girl, that is Lulu. Now let's see the summary of the poem. In this poem, there is a little girl, little Lulu. She had a very big and serious problem. The problem was she had lost her nose. Isn't it funny, children? Yes, she has lost her nose and she is searching for the nose. She is searching up, down, right, left and all around. Then if you lose something, what you will do, children? You will search it. After that, what you will do? You will go ask your mummy or ask your teacher about what you have lost. Same way, little Lulu is going and asking her friends and toys about her lost nose. But she did not get any information about her nose. Finally, Emily the elephant, it was walking through the Lulu's house. Emily saw Lulu weeping. Emily went to Lulu and asked why she was weeping, that is crying. Lulu said that she has lost her nose. What Emily did, I told you that Emily is an intelligent elephant. So, Emily gave a mirror and told to see the Lulu's face in the mirror. When Lulu saw her face in the mirror, Lulu saw her nose all in its place. Now, Lulu became very happy. By seeing the Lulu's face, Emily started to trumpet. Do you know what is trumpet, children? Trumpet means the sound made by the elephant. Now, let's see the poem line by line. In this poem, the first stanza deals with the problem that was caused to the Lulu. So, the first stanza deals with the problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. In the next stanza, she started to search her nose. So, it is searching of her lost nose. Searching. S-E-A-R-C-H-I-N-G. In the third stanza, who helped Lulu? Yes, the Emily. The elephant helped Lulu. So, help. H-E-L-P, help. Finally, what happened? In the last stanza, it deals with the solution for the problem. So, what was the problem? Lulu lost her nose. It was the problem. How it was solved? It was solved by using a mirror. So, in the last answer we get the solution for the problem. Solution. SOLUTION. Now, ma'am is going to read the poem for you once. Little Lulu. Little Lulu had a serious problem. She could not find her nose. So, who had a serious problem? Little Lulu had a serious problem. What was the problem? The problem was she lost her nose. Did she find her nose? No, she could not find her nose. Little Lulu looked up and down and then at her toes. Where all Little Lulu searched? Little Lulu looked up, down and then at her toes. So, she was searching her nose. She looked left, she looked right, she looked all around. What she is doing, children? Again she is keeping on searching her nose. She is looking left, right and all around. All around means everywhere she is searching her lost nose. She asked her friends and asked her toys, but her nose could not be found. Then whom she asked? She asked her friends and asked her toys, but her nose could not be found. Emily, the elephant, saw her crying as she was passing by. Who saw Lulu crying? Emily saw Lulu was crying. When did she see, children? She saw when she was passing by. When she was going through the house of the Lulu, Emily saw Lulu crying. She gave the weeping girl a mirror and said, give this a try. So what Lulu gave? Lulu gave a mirror. Lulu gave a mirror. And what did Lulu say? Lulu said to try the mirror. Try the mirror means to see her face on the mirror. Okay, children. In the mirror, did Lulu see her little nose all in place? What did Lulu see in the mirror? Lulu saw her little face in the mirror, and in the little face the nose was all in its place. Emily trumpeted happily by seeing Lulu's smiling face. Now what did Emily do? Emily trumpeted happily. Why he was happy? By seeing the Lulu smiling face, he was so happy. Fine, children. Now let's see some poetic devices used in the poem. The poetic devices are used in the poem to beautify the poem. To look it more beautiful, the poets use some poetic devices in the poem. The poetic devices used in this poem are rhyming words and rhyming scheme. Now let's see some rhyming words. Rhyming words. RHYMING. Rhyming words. WORDS. What is a rhyming word? Anya, tell me, what is a rhyming word? Rhyming word is nothing but the words which have the same sound, a similar sound. That is known as rhyming words. Now when you see the first stanza, now see these words. Problem, nose. Is it rhyming? No. Nose, down. Is it similar to here? No. Nose, toes. Now you can hear the same sound, right? Nose, toes. So let us see some rhyming words now. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. Now come to the second stanza. Now who can tell me the rhyming words in the second stanza? Can anyone try? Yes, you are right. It is around, found. What is that? Around, found. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around, found. F-O-U-N-D. Around, found. Now see the third stanza. Jishnu. Now tell the rhyming words in the third stanza. Yes, by, try. Very good. Now, so third one is what is third one? By, try. B, Y. By, try. It is similar to here. Now let's see who is going to find out the rhyming words in the fourth stanza. Hardik, now tell me the rhyming words in the fourth stanza. Very good, you are right. It is place, face. Very good. Place, P-L-A-C-E. Place, face, F-A-C-E. Face. Very good, children. I think you all are so attentive. Now, let's pronounce it with me. Okay. Lakshita, now come on, pronounce these words with me. Nose, toes. Around, found. By, trying. Place, face. Okay, children. Ma'am has told you about rhyming scheme. Now I will tell you what is rhyming scheme. Rhyming words and rhyming scheme are related to each other. Using the rhyming words, we can find out the rhyming scheme. Always the rhyming scheme starts with A, B, C and goes on till Z. Now let's see the rhyming scheme. R, H, Y, M, I, N, G. Rhyming scheme. S-C-H-E-M-E. Rhyming scheme. Rhyming scheme. Rhyming scheme and rhyming words are related to each other. Using the rhyming words, we can find out the rhyming scheme. The rhyming scheme always starts with A, B, C and it goes on till Z. To find out the rhyming scheme, we should see the last word in the first 4 lines. First, I am going to consider the last word in the first 4 lines, that is problem, nose, down, toes. Now, I am going to write it there. Okay, children? Problem, P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. What is the second word? It is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Next, down. D-O-W-N, down. Next, toes. T-O-E-S. Now, we are going to start the rhyming scheme from the word problem. So, you should name it as A. We should name this word as A. Next, nose. Now, see whether these 2 words are rhyming. Is it rhyming? No, it is not rhyming. Hence, we should name this word as B. Now, come to the third word. You should check whether this word is rhyming with these 2 words. Is it, children? No, it is not rhyming with these 2 words. Hence, you should name it as C. When you come to the fourth word, you should check whether it is rhyming with these 3 words. Now, see, toes, problem, toes, nose. Yes, it is rhyming. It sounds similar. Hence, you should name the toes with the same letter which you have named for nose. So, B. The rhyming scheme of this poem is A, B, C, B. When you check other 3 stanzas in this poem also, you get the same rhyming scheme, that is A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B. So, this poetic device is used to beautify the poem. Now, let's see some new words. Let's learn some new words and its meanings. Trumpet. What is trumpet? Trumpet means blare. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet, blare, B-L-A-R-E, blare. Trumpet blare is the sound made by an elephant. Now, let us see the second word. Look, glance. L-O-O-K, look. G-L-A-N-C-E, glance. Look, glance. Little, small in size. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. SMALL, small, IN, in, small in size, SIZE, small in size. Serious, severe, SERIOUS, serious, severe, SEVERE, severe. Grin, smile, GRIN, grin, SMILE, smile, grin, smile. Pull, tug, PULL, pull, TUG, tug, pull, tug. Weep, cry, WEEP, weep, CRY, cry, weep, cry. Leap, jump, LEAP, leap, JUMP, jump, leap, jump. Now Darshya is going to tell me what are the parts which we cannot see through our eyes. Now see here children, our eyes, nose, mouth, ears. So all these parts cannot be seen through our eyes directly. We need a object to see all these parts. What is the object? The object is a mirror. What is a mirror? A mirror is an object that reflects whatever is shown to it. Okay children? Now let's sing a rhyme. Little Lulu had a serious problem. She could not find her nose. She could not find her nose. Little Lulu looked up and down, and then at her toes, and then at her toes. She looked left, she looked right, she looked all around. She asked her friends and asked her toys, but her nose could not be found. Emily, the elephant, saw her crying as she was passing by. She gave the weeping girl a mirror and said, "Give this a try." In the mirror did Lulu see her little nose all in place. In the mirror did Lulu see her little nose all in place. Emily trumpeted happily, seeing Lulu's smiling face. So kids, I think you would have enjoyed the poem, right? For your further clarification, in the below description, we have attached PPT, study material, self-assessment paper and question bank. So just use it and get the benefit. Thank you.